Hi friends, welcome. Previously we have seen how to use NotebookLM to generate various audio files or the podcast you can use it. Now we'll see how we'll use our NotebookLM to audit a site as a SEO consultant. So we can generate actionable points to improve a site quality and many other things based on the Google advised resources. So all the URLs of helpful content, EAT and many other Google resources, documents, whatever is available you are using as sources. But this time we will use ChatGPT also. We'll use ChatGPT to generate the audit points or checkpoints. So 50 such checkpoints we'll use it. We'll integrate into our NotebookLM. But while integration, we will see that there is a limit of customization up to 500 characters. How we'll achieve that? How we'll integrate? We'll learn more about that. But before we move, my request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified when we add similar tutorials. And we are frequently doing that also. Let's move. All the checkpoints or whatever we discuss all are available at this URL. This URL is available in the description below, so you can use this. The prompts whatever you have used, the resources also whatever you have added as a source to our NotebookLM, all are available here, and the sample outputs also you are given. Then again you will get our prompts and the finally how we generated the 50 checkpoints or the 50 audit points, whatever we have generated based on the relevance. So from highest to lowest relevant, all are listed here. Feel free to change these points also, and you will find some of these checkpoints may not be necessary for you, or you can add more also. And you need not restrict to 50, even you can go this. See here, I have given the prompt as 50 such point, increase it or decrease it based on your requirement. And when it is generated, you will find that some points are not necessary for you because you may be aware of it or you feel it is not relevant. So you can edit this, and that is a better way you can customize to your own requirement. And these 50 checkpoints or audit points will carry to our NotebookLM. Here I am inside my ChatGPT. So this is the first prompt I have given. So here are the audit some URL based on the content guidelines given here. These are all the resources whatever we have used. This you can copy it from the URL also. Add to this or remove something if you feel it. Then give me some instructions to submit to customize the NotebookLM to audit my page. Note that maximum size of the instruction will be 500 characters. Here I thought I will be using all the checkpoints in the customize tab, but that I didn't do. We'll see what I am going to do. Finally, what happens? Instructions, I got this. So I didn't, my requirement was not the URL. So I have specifically told no need to give the URLs again, as I have already submitted as reference link to follow. Only give me the checkpoints to ask. Then I got these 5 points. So give me more such points, because these 5 points, whatever I got, it was fine. So what I asked is give me more such points, give 50 such points where highest to lowest in terms of relevance. So I got finally the 50 points. I just copied this to my NotebookLM. I am in my NotebookLM page. So previously all those resources, those guidelines, EAT and all helpful content update, whatever the Google guidelines we have added here. Now let's add that whatever the checkpoints. So this plus sign, I copied it. Now here you can see copied text. Previously those guidelines, whatever you want to add, website, you can click that and take the Google URL of that developer's guide, EAT document, everything. You can paste it here and submit it. Now because already we have submitted here, so we no need for that. Now what I am going to do is adding that resources again. Here I am clicking the plus button, copy text. Here I am pasting it. All the points I have pasted it here, 50 points. This time I am using it here and telling in the customization tab that use this audit point. So I need not use this 50 in the customization tab. So there, because there is a character limit. So what I did it, okay, I have saved it. Subsequently I close. Okay, after saving, here I have gone there and renamed it. So here my 50 checkpoints I have mentioned. You can just rename the sources, whatever name you want to give it. But remember that you should use it in the customization. I click this notebook guide because previously this was loaded. So I will just do one thing, load it again. I will remove it again and add the customization again, so we can regenerate it. I am going to delete it. So then after deleting, customize, because I will get the generate button. Here I am pasting the instruction, very few lines, 4 lines only. Audit this page based on the given checkpoints. Now checkpoints are 50 checkpoints are here, and guidelines available. So guidelines all are there here. Now this is the URL. This is the URL I want the NotebookLM to audit it. So then I have also told audience knows SEO basics. So you need not start telling from the ABCD. So it can directly start. Your case, you can change it. Be specific, avoid generic advice, and give actionable points. That's all. With this, you change it based on what you feel is required here, or you can say next episode what you are going to do, you can tell it. So at the concluding, it will include that, or at the beginning what it should say, that also you can include in your customization. Now click generate. It will take some time. It has told this may take few minutes. No need to stick around. Friends, this is the page what you have asked to audit. So initially, when the first time when I listened to this, it has told me that your page should look more professional, modern looking, because it's about all the programming stuff. So there was no much. When had it been a travel site, there would have been some more pictures. But still, what I did is I added this image and then again deleted and again started it. Then it has removed that point. It didn't tell me that you have to be a modern look and feel. So add some more visual content that improves the what you call it, that user experience or look and feel of your site. That's all, friends. Hope you have a good learning experience, and this all the audit points and all you can add or remove and create more engaging content. So, and the resources what you are used also you can add to it or remove something, and based on that what result you are getting, you can share it with us. And if you have any questions or ideas, use the comment section below to post it. My request is please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you'll be notified as and when we are tutorial, and we are frequently adding such content. Your feedback will help us to improve or include the content in the next episode. Please share this with your friends, and thank you for watching.